Hello everybody, my name is Shaz. Welcome to this video. It's time to learn AI. Hopefully this reached its target audience of my medical professionals in the field that want to learn about AI because I think it's a massive topic that you must be exploring because it is the future and it's not going to be integrated in the way you might think. I have some awesome stuff to show you. I've been doing AI now for a while, started my own software company, but I just wanted to share back with I think some of the smartest and most important individuals in the world, medical professionals. All right, so let's jump right into it. I have some awesome stuff to show you guys. All right, so welcome all you guys. It's the right place, the right time. Again, AI is blowing up. No one really knows how to use it, especially medical professionals. I have a bunch of family members, friends, colleagues, and stuff like that. They're in the medical field, have no real idea of how to implement AI. And I think once you get a grasp of it, it will really transform the way you run your business, and a lot of opportunities will be opened up through the implementation of AI. So welcome all my doctors, dentists, aesthetic practitioners, anyone in the medical field, welcome to this video. All right, now, just by being here, you are miles ahead, guys. I'm telling you, it's so early. You're miles ahead of other people that are not exploring AI options right now. So be curious. You guys are some of the smartest people in the world. Be curious about the technology. Ask questions. Drop them in the comments, or I do have a Facebook group. You are invited. If you're here right now, you are taking the initiative to learn more about AI and how it could help you in your business, the efficiency, the automation, everything like that. You are invited to my inner circle. It will be the first link in my description. It's a free Facebook group where I just go more in depth and give value. People share their stories, case studies, and we're just creating an amazing community, one of the best communities in the world of professionals in the medical field and AI. All right, so it's called AI for Medical Practices. And the first 50 people that join, I'll be doing a free automation audit for them. So essentially, I'll go in their business, be like, hey, this could be automated, this could be implemented. AI could help you in X, Y, and Z way. And I think it would be awesome to have you there. Again, it's the first link in the bio. Join this Facebook group. It'll help you out. It's all free, by the way. All right, so if you do join that Facebook group, or when you do, because I really think you should be there, or comment this, let me know. Are you a medical practice owner? What do you do? Where are you located? I'd love to network with you. And if you're a medical practice employee, please bring this to your higher ups, your bosses, the people you work for. And if they don't give you a raise, I would definitely ask for one, because what I'm about to show you, and if you could translate this to your bosses, is game changing. It's game changing, and no one is really doing it right now. It's going to set your practice apart from the thousands of others that we have in the country. All right, so let's hop into defining AI. So artificial intelligence, the technical definition, is a simulation of human intelligence by machines, but it's not iRobot with Will Smith. It's not that yet, guys. If you think that's what AI is, if you think it's going to go in and do the surgeries for you and take your jobs in a physical manner, it's not there yet. In our lifetimes, I really don't believe it will get to that point. Your jobs are safe. It's more about automating tasks, right? Delegating automation to certain tasks that you don't have to do any day. You don't have to do every day. So essentially, your day is full of monotonous tasks in some form or another, doing paperwork here, talking to clients here. Your business can be automated in the way that you don't have to do these minute tasks that add up to, 30 minutes, an hour a day, which is 30 hours a month, which is a lot of time and money going into things that can be automated. So don't think about it as robots going in and replacing you, but more of automation that can be played out with AI implemented into your business. All right, hopefully that makes sense to you. All right, so these are the core sort of use cases that we've been finding for medical practices specifically. Now, there are thousands of use cases, guys, no joke. There are so many things you can do. These are the 4 things I'm really going to focus on in this video. If you want more topics, let me know. All right, lead generation, customer support, post-operative or post-op care, and employee onboarding. All right, you can read these bullet points if you want to. I'm going to explain each one. So lead generation, if you're not aware of it, if you're maybe not a medical practice owner, but you work as an employee in a medical practice, this is sort of what a lead generation funnel looks like. So you have awareness, interest, desire, action, and then qualification of a lead. Now, we're going to talk about this in the sense of a website. So someone's aware of your website, they go on it, and then you need to convert them to take action, right? This is sort of where we operate. This is where we operate right here. We turn interest, like people looking through your page, like, my tooth hurts right now. How could this dentist help me? And we turn them into a booked call for you guys. We turn them into a lead, right? Essentially, that's lead generation. That is what we do. That is what AI does, right? That's not what we do, but that's what AI does for us. All right. So it turns interests into appointments and contacts, right? So again, it's turning people like, how could this dentist in my area help me, to actually grabbing them and booking them in as an appointment to get a consultation from you guys. All right. So a person on the website is educated instantly. So I'm about to show you guys a chatbot that I built out, especially for you, to show you how it works. But a person essentially is educated instantly right on your website. So they like ask a question and they get instant feedback. Now this is called nurturing. You're providing great customer service. You're answering people's questions instantly, right? No downtime. And then you could give them the option of booking a call and contact. So nurturing lead to more book calls for your business, more contacts for your medical practice. All right. Now here's an example bot that I actually built out for you guys. Now this is how cool this stuff is. This is just this is literally a random dental office that I found in my area. All right, random one. Just click the random one. And I made a bot that's trained off of these people's website, this person's website. All right, so let's interact with it. All right, and this can be implemented on your Instagram, on your website, whatever. All right. Let it do its thing here. Say hi, welcome, personalized health support today. What can I help you with? All right, so this is the bot that we made talking back to us. All right, let's get information. So now it allows us to ask an open source question. So let's see, what services do you guys provide? Let's see what it says here. Boom. So this information is taken right off of these guys' websites. Do I have any other questions? Yeah, I do. Let's see. How can I get in contact with you guys? Let's see what it says. Form website. Yeah, and then we could have built it out, or you could even build it out where it would just send them right to your booking page. So that's another thing you could do. Let's ask one more question just so you guys get the point of it here. Let's see. Let's see. What should we ask about? It's exciting. I love AI so much. I mean, this is all just new technology, right? Let's see. Can you help me with my root canals? This will be the last thing I answer. I just want to show you guys how powerful this stuff is. PR Dental Studio, we offer root canal treatment. Our goal is to save a natural tooth, give you a healthy, beautiful smile. It's amazing, right? And this is a very basic version of a chatbot trained on this, and the capabilities are insane. Again, you could send automated emails to these people, you could collect their email, you could book them in for appointments. So I hope that makes sense to you. That is just like a little taste of lead generation and customer support, which I'm about to go into, right? So everyone knows the fundamental basics of a great business is customer support. Great customer support, happy customers, happy business, happy life, right? So customer support is another thing that can be automated, right? You can send automated follow-ups, personalized support. So every single person has different questions. They will get a different answer tailored to their questions, right? And then answering FAQs, right? How annoying is it people reaching out to your business with just very simple stuff they could have found on their website? The thing is, people don't have the patience to go in the website. Look how many tabs these people have. They're not going to go through and find the exact thing. People are lazy nowadays, and that's just the way it is. So that chatbot will just answer that question automatically, pulling it right from the website. All right. You could also do really cool stuff like this. You could send a custom email, like summarizing that person's doctor visit or dental visit. You could send people reminders like, hey, you guys have an appointment in 2 hours. Please don't be late. Something like that. You can send them updates, and you could answer patients' questions about, medical procedures and things like that. All automated, so you guys don't physically have to spend the time doing that yourself, because I know that time adds up, right? So you have 5 members of your team answering questions for 30 minutes a day. That's 2.5 hours a day that are to be delegated to customer support when AI and automation can do that for you. All right, so now we're going to move into post-operative care. This is also a really cool use case that I've come up with and seen great potential for in the industry. All right, so post-op care is essentially someone had an operation. You guys should all know this, and they need some care after it, right? So just checking in with them, seeing how they're doing, seeing if they need any help. All right, you could have a custom-trained system that essentially answers their FAQs for them so the employees don't have to. All right, now you might be like, hey, is that safe? Here, I'll get to that. All right, so you can have a patient interact with the AI trained on a custom knowledge base, right? So it answers questions directly tailored to that person's situation, right? And it answers it to them instantly. So you could send them a link to a bot like this, like, hey, if it's the middle of the night, you need us, just ask this question, and this system, this AI, will give you the answer of what you should best do. Now, I totally get it If it's an emergency, the AI will say, hey, we don't have the capabilities of answering this. It seems like an emergency. And then we'll send them to a customer support, an employee like you've already been doing. It's just to mitigate the amount of questions that your staff is receiving, all right? Now, HIPAA. Obviously, this is a massive thing. It's like personal protection rights of people's health and medical history. You have to abide by it, right? So you must acknowledge the rules. And that's always something that you got to be aware of when you're building out AI systems and stuff like that. We try to avoid HIPAA right now because it's not too regulated in the AI industry, but a lot of the stuff like customer support, lead generation doesn't even deal with HIPAA, so you could go around it. You know what I'm saying? But always keep in mind HIPAA. All right, so now employee onboarding will be the last thing I cover. Again, there's so many other things I could show you, but I just wanted to keep it a short video just to give you guys a taste of this stuff because it's so exciting. Also, if you're still here right now, you have to implement this stuff because you're going to kill it. I mean, no one is looking at this right now. I'm telling you, you have to implement this stuff, all right? Join my Facebook group. I would love to walk you through how it works. But employee onboarding is like an internal solution, we call it. So this isn't something your patients would see. This would be something that your business uses internally within all the employees and the owner in the business, right? So if staff have questions, if you just hire staff, if you hire new people a lot, you can just have the staff essentially interact with the bot and say, just ask it questions, and it will be trained on the procedures, the SOPs, all the things you guys already teach your employees. It'll just be trained on that, and then the employee can interact with that bot instantly, right? It saves the business owner time. The business owner doesn't have to answer the intern or the employee's new question. It could be answered by that bot. And if it's a really burning question, okay, then they could go to the owner. But we just cut down, 80 to 90% of those customer support tickets, which is amazing. This is a very easily automated solution that you could do. All right, so this sort of wraps it up. And guys, I keep saying this because it's true. It's the tip of the iceberg. With AI and automation, the use cases are insane. There's so much stuff. It's absolutely amazing. And yeah, I mean, think about the time saved, right? You're saving an hour a day between all your employees. It's 30 hours a month. And for a business of, in the medical practice sort of niche, dental office, aesthetic practitioner office, aesthetic practice, you're talking about thousands of dollars a month, maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, right, in total time saved, which is a game changer, right? You have to look into this stuff, guys. And again, be curious. You guys are amazingly smart, capable individuals. Be curious. Ask me questions. I'm always there. And again, join the Facebook group. I would love to run you through a free audit, and it would be the first link in the description, all right, to talk more. But guys, this is just like an overview video, right? I just wanted to make this real quick. It wasn't the most in-depth thing. I could show you like the logic behind the bots and stuff if you want to, but just wanted to get you introduced to the idea because it's going to come to the industry whether you like it or not. You should really implement it. It's going to help you out a lot. And we'll see you in the Facebook group, hopefully, or I will see you in the next video. Comment any questions you have, and you guys have a beautiful day. All right, take care.